Okay, we're going to add to our component list resistors today. Woohoo! So we're going to watch an adorable video with a nice person here who's got a bunch of resistors to show you. Now it's hard to see, so I gave you some pictures here. Here are the common types of resistors. You have wire round, you have carbon opposition, all these different kinds. This is the kind that we're going to use pretty much all the time. They all work the same way, it's just these are like modern common resistors, okay? Everyone, when they hear a resistor, will think of something like that. That's what they'll look like. They're cheap to make, and they're good enough, all right? So there's a couple different kinds they can make. They can make fixed, which are just stay the same all the time. They can have variable ones, which will depend on things. All right, so you can turn the dial, and then it becomes stronger or weaker. And you can also have it automatically change depending on something. So a thermistor depends on temperature. This is what they use in electric thermometers. So they just have a resistor that changes depending on the temperature, and they will change the resistance. They measure it, and then they have the thermometer. That's how it works. Photoresistor depends on light. A magneto depends on, get this, magnetism. A strain gauge depends on how hard you pull it. Nice. So all resistors work. He's going to talk about this, but I wanted to make sure you understood. By changing how easy it is for current to flow through. All right. So resistance is how narrow this area is. All right. So in this picture here, you can kind of see it too. So a stronger resistor is going to have a more narrow pipe. So that means it's harder for the fluid or current, to get through like that.